Hello, everybody. It's Michelle Grigsby from onlinewithmichelle.com. And would you like to know how to create a custom list on Facebook? This is part of a series of videos that I'm doing to help you with your Facebook lists, how to manage your Facebook lists. Facebook lists are powerful because you can assign friends to as many lists as you want, but it's like assigning a category. So I might have a friend who is a church, I go to church with, somebody I went to high school with, somebody who's a hot prospect, somebody who's in a certain network marketing company, someone who's in my inner circle. So, but what's cool about that is I can track them. I can keep track of them. So this is so cool. So if you are not, if you don't have access to all of my series of videos, there should be a link in the description for you to jump over to and get access to all my other trainings, okay? But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook list from your mobile phone. This is something that took me it took me over an hour to do research on this, okay? But this is super powerful. And if you're on your Facebook app, on Facebook, there's no place that you can create a list. You can add your friends to a current list, but you cannot create a list. So here is a roundabout way of doing that. Ready? You're going to have to go into actually an internet browser, okay? The reason why is because you want to bypass the Facebook app. What I mean by that is I'm going to show you. So I'm going to tap on Chrome. I'm using Chrome on an Android. I honestly don't know if it works on any other browser but this, okay? So if you can download this, please do so. It's on your app. Should be able to download it from your apps. And let me go ahead and I'm going to open my Facebook app. Now, did you see what just happened? It turned it into mobile form. So now even though I'm on Chrome, it's in mobile form, so it looks like my app, okay? It looks just like my app. So I might as well just open this in Facebook, right? I might as well just gone straight to Facebook and opened it. But here's how you bypass it so that it looks like I'm on it from a PC. This is so cool. All right, there's a link. And I don't know why this must be a glitch with Facebook. I have no idea. I'm going to copy this link, okay? I'm going to put this link in the description as well, okay? And then I'm going to go back to Chrome. And here, right there, I'm going to highlight it. Oops. I'm going to highlight this address. I'm going to paste the new one, which is facebook.com/bookmarks/interests. And then I'm going to hit go. And watch this. It's now in PC. It doesn't look like the app, right? Oh, this is so cool. So I'm going to scroll down to friends list right there, okay? Friends list. And now this is not how it looks on the regular app. So here is my list of friends, right? These are all the different lists that I've created, okay? And how do you create a list? Right here, at the very top. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you really quickly how to create a list, okay? So I'm going to tap create a list, okay? Create a list, and it's going to, see, this is not, oops, ow. This is not from, this is not set up in the mobile format. So that's why it looks, you have to kind of like make it bigger, smaller. Name the list. I'm going to name this my VIP members, okay? People that are part of my coaching program. And I'm going to add Jenny. And let me highlight her name. All right. I'm going to hit create. I'll be right there. And then what I'm going to do, so there it is. By default, it pulled her up because after I was done, it will pull up the list. But I'm going to go back here and show you. Back right here where it says friends lists, right there, friends list. I'm going to click on that, and it's probably going to be at the top because it was the last one I used. There it is, VIP members. There it is, guys. That's how you create a list. Okay, so I hope you got value. Make sure you subscribe. Just go to my blog, onlinewithmichelle.com. Click the link in the description. Make sure you get access to all of my tips and hacks for your Facebook list. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.